It's me, Michael Gurdecki again, reporting to you live from, well, it's pre-recorded because you're watching it, and I'm recording it on my BlackBerry Bold from the black Mitsubishi, Mercury Montero for the blizzard of 2011. You'll see brake lights coming up soon. Just 5 minutes ago I was reporting about the weather. And now I see flashing lights in the distance. The road is horrific. People are stopping. Look at this traffic. It's horrible. Hear the sirens. Off in the distance, clearly we've got a situation going on. It looks like at least one ambulance, and he's swerving into the intersection. And now what is he doing? It looks like he's gonna whip back. Could it have to do with the blizzard? I don't know. Let's see. Yes, folks, that was a very, very scary moment. The roads are treacherous. The visibility's down. Nobody can move. In the blizzard of 2011, I'll report back shortly.